One moment in time, encapsulated now forever. Think something beautiful, you said. I did, and smiled a secret smile. You chose my face, a blank canvas now transformed, given life and colour with a swish of your artist's brush. She looks inscrutable, I hear you say. It must be her eyes. Eyes, the mirror to my soul.
In my garden grew plenty of thyme. It would flourish by night and by day. Then along came a lad, and he took all I had, and he stole my time away. And I was a damsel fair, but fairer I wished to appear. So I washed me in milk, and I clothed me in silk, and I put the sweet thyme in my hair.
When I am an old woman, I shall wear purple, with a red hat that doesn't go and doesn't suit me. And I shall spend my pension on satin sandals and run my stick along the public railings and learn to spit.
Nobody heard him, the dead man, but still he lay moaning. I was much further out than you thought, and not waving, but drowning. Oh no, no, it was too cold always. Still the dead one lay moaning. I was much too far out all my life, and not waving, but drowning.